check it out. We are out here in Gatineau today. We're in Gatineau, Quebec, just across from Ottawa, Ontario. Gatineau is one of the main cities in the province of Quebec, one of their bigger cities that's closer to Ottawa, which is the capital of Canada. We're gonna check out a spot today, a food spot. I figured since we're in Quebec, why not try a local Quebec cuisine? Quebec is famous for poutine. We're gonna try out a poutine spot today. I went online and I saw on Reddit that a poutine spot that they have here that's pretty popular, or fairly popular, is called La Belle Province. I'm not sure if I pronounced that right, but that's what it was called. And I found one that's in Gatineau, so I'm gonna go check it out and see if the poutine's any good. We have been to Montreal and we have tried poutine here in Quebec before. We went to La Banquise, which was highly recommended online. Turned out it wasn't as great as it was hyped up to be. It was decent poutine though. Apparently a lot of people are just over exaggerating it. At least that's what I read. I saw a few things on Reddit saying that I should probably start off with trying the poutine at La Belle Province, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'll check it out, see how much it is, and maybe try just a classic poutine, maybe a hot dog or something, and see what it's all about. So yeah, just trying some local Quebecois food here in Quebec. We're gonna take you with us and check it out right now. Let's go. We're coming up to the entrance to the restaurant right here. Here it is, La Belle Province. Let's head inside and see what's up. Here's what it looks like inside. Can I do you have like a meal with like the hot dogs?
Yeah, so we have a trio with 2 hot dogs.
Yeah.
And then you can change it for poutine if you like.
Okay.
We have a special for the week. It's $10 for a combo, so it's only 1 hot dog with a small poutine and then you try.
Okay, yeah, I guess I'll do that.
You'll do the combo.
Yeah.
What do you want in your hot dog?
Can I do it with the, I saw one there, the Michigan style?
Michigan style?
Yeah. Is that like, what is that, ground beef?
Yeah, it's basically like a tomato sauce with ground beef.
Okay. And then
onions in it?
Yeah, onions.
Anything else?
Ketchup, mayo, maybe on the side.
On the side?
Yeah. And then the poutine, yeah, just the regular poutine.
And you want to eat here or to
for here.
So it's going to be a total of $13.80. How do you do?
These are the potatoes that they use here. Alright, here's how much we paid. Subtotal is $12 plus tax, about $13.80 after tax. That's Canadian. And then I got a Michigan style hot dog and a small poutine, just a standard classic poutine to check it out. And then I got some ketchup and mayo on the side. Let's see what it's like. So that's gonna wrap it up for this video on La Belle Province. I tried their poutine, tried their Michigan styled hot dog. I also got a smash burger after the fact too, just to try it out and see. The poutine was solid, to be honest. It had premium cheese curds in there. The gravy was rich, and it's a good gravy, not too salty, not too sweet. Pretty good. At first when I tried the fries, it seemed like it was a little bit soggy to begin with, but then I realized that's just how their fries are. I guess it was just the first few that were like that, but then afterwards, like, the fries were pretty consistent, and under the gravy it was holding up. I just think that if you're gonna get the poutine here, you should probably eat it right away, kind of thing. Maybe not for delivery, because then it's just gonna get really soggy if you're getting it delivered, and maybe some people like it like that, I don't know, but yeah, I'd rather have it right away. They do make it fresh for you, which was was a big plus, so keep that in mind. Everything's made fresh. The hot dogs, you can get it steamed or grilled, or you could get it Michigan style. That will be a upcharge, obviously. So my total came to, it was a special they had for a regular hot dog, a poutine, small poutine, and a drink for $10, but then I Michigan styled my hot dog, so that added $2. But if you're getting the Michigan style hot dog on its own, then it's like about $4.19. You can get your hot dogs either steamed or grilled as well, and then you put whatever topping you want on there. They'll ask you if you want it fully dressed or, you know, ketchup, mayo, onions, all that good stuff. But yeah, pretty satisfied with my meal. Wasn't hella expensive, as you can see, and it was a good smash burger as well. Really good. I know A&W has a smash burger promotion going on, but theirs is nowhere near as good as this one. For what you're paying, the smash burger was about $8. It was a good smash burger, so I would definitely recommend checking out La Belle Province to try their poutine at least. And yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. If you are coming through Quebec, you can pop by here and check it out and let me know how it is, and definitely stay tuned for more videos on Quebec. We have a video from Montreal where we went to the J. Cole Fall Off concert, so if you want to see that video, I'll put it in the description down below. Just click the link. And we also have a video on downtown Montreal, as well as La Venue brunch restaurant in Montreal. Check those out. The links will be in the description down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. We do appreciate you watching as usual. We'll see you in the next video. Leave a like on the video if you like this type of content, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this one, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care. Peace out from Gatineau, Quebec.